Hey there, I'm Craig, and thanks for checking this out. Today I'm going to show you the copy.ai app for writing copy of all kinds. So you can see on the page here, we're logged in, and there's a whole bunch of things you can write. But today we're going to actually write a blog post on why and how to start a blog. So let's check out how quickly this is. Once you get your Copy AI account, you get in, you start the project. We're going to write that title right here. So blog title, how and why to start a blog. Want to write a couple of keywords here. So we're going to use that same thing, how to start a blog. Add another keyword here, blogging. Talk about online business. So what you're doing here is you're feeding the algorithm some keywords, and the better and more focused the keywords are, the easier it is going to be to create a ton of content. So how to start a blog, blogging, online business, why blog, what else? Content, marketing, make money from blogging. Let's say make money, the topic money, call to action. These are all some keywords, whatever. You can put it in as much or as little. So once you do that, you generate an outline. And so it goes in and it's going to think about all the kind of topics we want to create. So a blog should have different sections and at least an introduction and a conclusion and a bunch of segments below. So here we go. So it kind of generates a blog intro will be added here. So we're going to add that. And then it's building out sections. So pick a topic for blogging. That's cool. Choose a blogging platform. Excellent. Pick a domain name and web hosting. These are all the things you need to do. Pick a theme and template, start publishing content, promote your blog. Everyone can start a blog. You might need to do some planning to make sure everything's ready. So there's our outline. Looks pretty good to me. Makes sense. I didn't have to come up with any of this. Pretty smart. So let's generate the talking points. So we're going to take some time here. Now, under each of those sections, they start to add talking points. So pick something you're interested in, pick something that you can write about for the long term, pick something that is unique to you, pick something that is relevant to your audience. All great talking points. You can add more talking points, ask it to generate more, regenerate talking points. If you don't like it, come up with something better. I kind of like this, and I just want to go right off the bat with the defaults here and see what kind of article it produces without me really intervening. So choosing a platform, these are all great reasons to think about, great talking points for choosing a platform. How to pick a domain name, solid. Pick a theme and template. Yep. Again, this is probably focused on most platforms. I know Ghost, WordPress, everything you have to pick a theme or a template as your starting point. And then start publishing content. So need to start writing, write regularly. These are all great points. So again, maybe this is a very simple topic. It's probably, going out to the internet and finding, all these cool themes. But this is pretty amazing. I haven't had to think a whole lot yet. And this is all valuable things to write about. So what else we got here? And then conclusion will be added here. Again, these look good. I'm not going to change much. We're going to let this thing generate content. Let's see it go here. It's pretty quick too. It came up with all these topics and pieces, and we're only about 3 minutes into this process. So we'll just give it some time here. You can see the step-by-step guide. We're almost here, editing talking points, and then it's generating. So right now we're just waiting for it to finish. Even computers take a bit of time to write good content, but this is pretty unreal. We're only about 4 minutes into this process and letting it do its thing here. You can see that the button is grayed out, meaning it's probably still working away here. Let's look more at some of these topics here. Just picking a subdomain, easy to remember and spell, always good. Pick a domain name that's not already taken. Very smart. Check domain name is available. So you definitely need to know how to do that. Lots of places to do that. Pick a web host that's reliable. Again, another good step. I really like these, man. This is amazing how quickly it just kind of comes up with all these things. So I don't know if we're hanging or if it's just still thinking, but to me, we're waiting on this to finish up. So oh, maybe that didn't work. So let's give it another go here. Let's see if that, there we go. So we were hanging there for a bit, lost a minute in time, but now they're generating content. We're still only 5 minutes into this process. So I don't know about you, but writing an outline alone takes more than 5 minutes. So this thing's powering through, creating a content, creating our blog on how and why to start a blog. Here we go. So again, I'm not going to change much of this. I want to see how this, writes a finished product. So, starting a blog is easier than ever and can be incredibly rewarding experience. It's also a great way to make money, build your brand, and network with people. If you're ready to start blogging but aren't sure where to start, please check out these tips on how to get started with your new blog. Wow, pretty good introduction. Again, you can regenerate the content, but I like that. I'm not changing a thing. So first topic, it's picking a topic. And so it goes into all that. First step of starting a blog is picking a topic. Topic should be something that you're interested in, but also something you can write about for the long term. I don't know about you, but this computer writes a lot better than most people out there on the internet. This is really good. So again, it's brought through nice bullet points to break up. I think when you bring this in, you want to format it and break it out a little bit more, but this is amazing. Look at all these great little pieces here. Quite a bit of content and a nice conclusion. So if you're ready to start a blog, we hope this guide has helped you understand some of the basics. Blogging is a great way to build an online presence and share your thoughts with the world. Wow. Okay, 6 minutes, read it, reviewed. Let's now create the blog post and see how this works. There you have it. Oh, and look at that. Some nice little congratulations confetti. I love it. How and why to start a blog. So from here, you literally can just select all and copy this and move it, paste it into your own blogging platform. Copy AI has some tools. So let's check out these tools here. Wonderful. So it brings it in here where you can now actually edit a bit more and dive in. So pretty neat. What are main points? I guess you can do some more editing, but in essence, there is the blog post. Pretty simple. And this is just with a basic account. So if you want to create a blog post, you got to try this out. There's a link below. One of my referral links, click on that, check this out, run it for yourself. See how quickly you can write on your niche and your topic. This is incredible. I'm going to post this. I'll also post a link to it on my blog on the Start and Grow website, and you can check out and read through this entire article and see what you think. Love to hear comments down below, what you guys think about this. Kind of controversial. I literally wrote a blog post in less than 5 minutes. Can produce a lot of content very quickly. Would love to hear what you think about this. Let me know in the comments below, and I'd like to also hear how you've had success with Copy AI or other AI-based writing tools. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe and share some of this content with other entrepreneurs that are looking to start and grow their business. Take care. Have a nice day.